Today we are going to be trying roti canai for the very first time. We hear it's a staple breakfast item here in Malaysia, and we've come to a really local place. Selamat pagi. They're making the roti here. All fresh, and there's the griddle. Fresh. So they've got the dough balls here, and my friend is cooking it here. Wow, look at that. It's like a flat griddle plate. You can hear like the sizzling of the bread, the roti. Selamat pagi.
Okay.
We can go here?
Okay.
The master. This is the master. This is the master, okay. So you've got the dough and then you're smashing it down. Wow. Oh, you can hear that. You can hear him slapping it down. Oh, wow. So he's like tossing it around like a pizza to make it very thin. Wow. This is the master.
Yes.
He's the owner.
Yeah.
The boss. How many years he's been?
This.
Yes.
45.
45 years.
Yes.
Here.
Yeah.
So 45 years.
No. See the 60.
Since he was 16.
Yeah, 60.
So this is your father?
Yeah.
So how long has he been making roti canai here for? 50 years.
Yeah.
50 years.
Yeah.
50 years. 50 years. The master here. 50 years. Wow.
Now it's up to 65.
He's 65. So he started when he was 16.
15.
15.
Yeah.
Wow. The master. We've come to the right place. Okay. So. Oh wow. Are these the sauces?
Yeah, so this curry meat.
Which meat is this one? Beef. So this is the beef sauce that goes with the roti, the roti canai.
Yes, this peanut.
Dal.
Peanut.
Peanuts.
Peanut dal.
Peanut dal. Wow. Oh wow. There's some lemon in there.
Yeah.
Lemon. What?
Potatoes.
Lemon, potato.
Carrot.
Carrots. You can see here. Wow.
Yeah.
And some like leaves, like some herbs.
And this one chili sambal.
Ooh, sambal.
Little spicy chili.
Like a little bit of a kick to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Come. I'm the master.
Master.
I'm now being taught by the master. Oh wow. I think I'm going to be doing some cooking, guys. He's putting me to work. My first day on the job.
Yeah.
I'm kind of nervous, guys. I'm a terrible cook. Okay, I'll try. Okay. I will. Okay. Yes. So. Wash hands. Okay. Yes. Like here. Yes. Okay. Wow. Okay. So we're like flattening it out. Okay. Slowing. I need to slow down.
And on.
Round like this. Like massaging it. You're massaging it. Come closer. So we're massaging it like this. Okay. Now, how did you do this one?
Okay.
Yes. And then like this. Like this.
Wow. Not bad.
Not bad? Okay, wait. What? Oh wait, like this. Okay, so like.
The left hand you want push.
You want to push with your left hand.
Left hand, no push.
Okay, we want to push.
Left, no push.
So push with like this way.
No.
Okay.
This one. No push.
Okay, so
push.
with the right hand you push.
Left hand push.
So
this hand.
one more time.
This hand. This hand going.
Oh,
up.
this is so hard.
It's so hard. Push.
Okay.
Yeah.
50 years. He's now the master. My master. Oh wow. Okay.
You see that so easy, eh?
It's very difficult, very difficult, yes. His son is saying, you think it's easy, but it's actually very difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Oh. Tuan.
I have so much respect for him. Master of 50 years. Oh, look how thin. Come here, come close. Look how thin this is. Well, very, very thin. All right, what is
Okay,
next?
come on.
Okay, next. Oh! Ah, okay, do it one more time.
Yan.
Harder. Okay.
Oh.
This is okay?
Hot.
Hot. It's very hot on the hands as well. Okay.
Okay, dah.
Ah, this is ours?
These are ours.
Okay, we've made our food. We have our food. Okay, dinner or no, breakfast is served. Breakfast is now served.
And we've actually got the sauces. My bad, I didn't know that they're coming with the roti canai. So, yeah. So basically, this is the chili sambal. This is the meat curry. And this one, I think is going to be my favorite one. This one is the peanut dal.
So you can see here, my one isn't as flaky, but that's because I did a bad job of flaking it up. But you can see it is kind of flaky inside of there and crispy. So I'm actually gonna give this a go to begin with. You can hear the crunch. Very buttery. Need some sauce with it though. Look at that. I think I'm gonna go for the beef sauce here.
I knew it.
And there you go. You can see it's like all kind of oozing into the roti. And let's give this a go. Bagus. So it tastes like beef curry. Actually, it's got a real big kick to it in terms of the spice. Not too much, but instantly you can feel the spice. And it gets like running down my throat. But I think we'll give a little bit of a balance to it by having some of this with the peanut dal here. You can see that I'm just gonna dip it in. Oh, beautiful.
Sarang burung.
The master has brought us
This name Sarang Burung in Malay. In Malay, Sarang Burung. English,
Sarang Burung.
English bird of nest.
Bird of nest. So this is the roti
Canai.
but with the egg
Yeah.
and the
The egg.
eggs in there. And it's called
Bird of nest. Bird of nest.
and in Malay,
Sarang Burung.
Sarang Burung. Sarang Burung.
Burung.
Ya.
Sarang Burung.
Ni.
Sarang
Bird
Burung.
home.
Little home bird nest of the bird.
Oh, it looks like
Yeah, so it looks like you got the nest and then you got the bird inside. There we go.
Inside.
What is this?
Very sedap.
Sedap.
Bagus.
This one honey.
Oh, this is
Honey
honey.
on it.
This one with
Not really this one with this one. How I want it.
This is madu lebah.
the honey.
Try with the honey then.
And you mix the honey with this one as well? No.
On the side.
You just on the side. So it's sweet. Okay, you can try. Oh, she's happy.
Bagus.
Bagus.
Sedap.
Sedap.
Sangat sedap.
Sangat sedap.
Yes.
It's pretty good.
Okay. Terima kasih. Wow, so friendly here. I am an absolute massive honey lover. I love
Actually, it did taste like Canadian maple syrup.
maple syrup. Okay, the
A bit
honey's
like
there.
that.
So we're gonna grab a piece off. You can hear it's still really crunchy, still warm. And then we're gonna grab a piece off one-handed. And we're gonna dip it in there. Oh, and then we're gonna.
You can taste the honey as well, right?
The honey tastes very flowery. My god. Sweet, but it tasted very flowery. I've never tried honey like that. What honey is it? It is Madu Leba. Madu Leba. Carolina's gonna try this sambal.
Yeah, before the dessert. I think it might be very chilly.
Show it to the camera. Oh, look at that. Okay.
It's not as chilly as I thought, but it's really good.
So we're just gonna break up the roti here, and then we're gonna grab this beef sauce, the beef curry, and I think actually there's a piece of meat there. I'm gonna try grabbing that piece of meat, and then kick of spice. Very tender meat. The meat's very tender. Got the spiciness of the curry, and it tastes like curry, like Indian curry. Check this one out, guys. This is the bird's nest. So you have the roti. Is it roti canai? I don't know if the bread is called roti or if it's called roti canai. But you've got the egg in the middle there. Look at that, beautiful. It reminds me of Georgian. There's like hachapuri, which is a Georgian dish. Hachapuri.
Acharuri with an egg.
Okay, yeah. Oh, with an egg.
But this one is with
Ah,
cheese.
yes, because hachapuri is like with cheese. Dip it in, like that. You can see.
Which one is your favorite?
I like the traditional one, but I also love this one as well. If I'm gonna let you into a secret, I think I like the one with the egg in more. Just because it's breakfast time, I'm not used to spices in the morning. I'm used to eggs and bread if I'm gonna have breakfast in the UK. But check that out, guys. Look how flaky it is. And then you just have to dip it all up into there. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. And then
And now I will steal it.
Where's it gone? So I got exactly what I wanted here, the milk tea, which I think it's tea, so te, si, and then you can say ice. And so that's what you've got here. Beautiful. I think there's a little bit of sugar in there, or maybe they've added a bit of like, I don't know, condensed milk or something. I'm not too sure. I'm still trying to figure out the whole tea situation here in Southeast Asia, because they have a lot of different names, especially in like Singapore and Malaysia. But very refreshing, a good palate cleanser. Bagels. So this is why, oh my god, there's so many motorbikes everywhere. But I do believe this is one of the best roti canai places in Kuala Lumpur. Absolutely amazing, friendly owners. And I'd recommend coming. Go to Karim Roti Canai.
The wife, master.
The master's wife.
Yeah.
The master's wife.
The second master.
He's oh, in black, second master. Yeah.
22 years.
So 22 years. Is he your son? No. But he's you trained him. So your husband is the master.
Yes.
For 50 years.
Yes.
And then he trains everyone.
Yes.
And this is also trainee.
Yes, training.
How many years?
2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
2 years. Wow. Okay, amazing. So he's carrying on the skill, the tradition, onto the next generation.
Yes.
Wow. That's amazing.
Coffee ice.
Coffee ice.
Yes.
So this is total, or?
Yes, total.
Total is 13 ringgit.
40 cents.
40 cents.
Yes.
Tanka gula. Without trouble.
Very, very affordable. Oh. Such nice people here. Very friendly. Like, as soon as we came here, they just took us in like family. If you want to come to this beautiful roti canai place, it's called Roti Canai, Karim Roti Canai.
Okay.
We have the lovely owners here, treated us like family. Thank you, terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
And over there, they're making the fabulous roti canai. Thank you so much.
Okay.
We'll see you soon, okay? Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Bye. What an incredible first experience trying roti canai here in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. I honestly believe that Karim roti canai is, I think, one of the best ones, even though I haven't tried many, just because of the hospitality of the owners. Everyone just treated us like family. And so we're going to be going to that place many more times because we're here in Kuala Lumpur for quite a bit of time. But we have got so many more videos to make here in Kuala Lumpur and in Malaysia. So don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.